Hi, everybody. I'm at Lady Friend Mercady's place in the Bronx. She's so supportive. Uh, it's just nice to uh, have a companion, help each other. And how are you today, Mercady? Okay. So you can see that the sun is shining right through the window. It's kind of cool. I kind of like it. I mean, kind of cool in not in a temperature way, but in a kind of a visually musically stimulating way. Let's just shut the heck up. Let's stop talking and more creating. So I'm going to take this up. Okay, you see both hands. We're gonna so